Welcome to our summer market review. It's been an interesting summer for Gold Coast real estate. We've seen a lot of activity in housing below $1.5 million, a lot of properties selling within 14 to 30 days. Above the $2 million price bracket, however, we've actually seen a significant tightening in the number of properties that are available, but some great prices that have been achieved in that prestige market. In the central Gold Coast market in particular, we've seen $6 million has been cracked again for a house on a 405 metre block along Hedges Avenue. And there was also a land sale in Paradise Waters of a point position canal front block which went for $4.5 million. Of our own sales, John and I sold 33 Naples Avenue in Isle of Capri in November. That settles next week. While the price remains confidential, that actually resets the values for older style homes and land along Naples, the Corso and the Promenade, and it's trending back towards that peak of the market pre-GFC sort of pricing of $4,000 to $5,000 a square metre for land, and houses on a standard 550 to 650 block may even be cracking $3.5 to sort of $4 million. As we're heading into autumn, we've got some spectacular stock coming to market. It looks like there'll be more prestige stock available through autumn than there was during summer. Today we're sitting in 12 Regents Court at Sovereign Islands, which will go to auction in April. And we've also got 61 Jefferson Lane, one of the most substantial homes on the beachfront in Palm Beach, on an 800 plus metre block with a 14.4 metre frontage, going to auction that month as well. In addition to that, we've also listed a property that we'll be shooting next month along the Promenade, one of the largest double blocks of 1,508 square metres, perfect for somebody to develop their new home, and that's listed at 6.9 to 7.5 million. Something we've touched on in a number of our monthly updates in recent months has been that the most popular suburbs that we're finding with families and investors are those where key infrastructure investment has been going on, such as the light rail. As we're heading into a council election in the next couple of weeks, there's some big infrastructure projects that are being touted as part of that election by some of the people that are coming up for mayor. That includes a ferry service from Southport over to SeaWorld, which will eventually head down to Avondale and out to the sports stadiums potentially for the Commonwealth Games, and also a revised version of a cruise ship terminal which would be offshore. Be very interested to see any of your feedback on those. If you'd like to email us your thoughts on the infrastructure projects that might be coming up. In relation to McGrath, we're now expanding rapidly this year. We've reached over 80 offices now, and we've opened up our third Gold Coast office, a second corporate office at Paradise Point last month, which is very exciting as we head further north. We've already got agents who have been very successful on the northern end of the coast, but this will expand our footprint, and we're excited for the future of McGrath on the Gold Coast. So if you are thinking of selling anywhere from the border up to the northern Gold Coast, please feel free to contact us. That's it for our summer market recap. We'd love to see your thoughts on what you've seen happening in the market, and if you'd like to know the new market price of your property, please feel free to contact John Natoli or myself.